Welcome to this NodeRed tutorial. Today, we're going to walk through a flow that fetches and combines user data and their respective posts from an API. We'll be using various nodes to process this data and generate an HTML response. Let's get started, starting with HTTP in Node. First, we have the HTTP in Node. This node listens for incoming HTTP GET requests at the user's posts endpoint. When a request is received, it triggers the flow. This node is crucial as it serves as the entry point for our data fetching process. HTTP request nodes. Next, we have two HTTP request nodes, fetch posts and fetch users. Fetch posts. This node makes a GET request to the posts API endpoint to retrieve posts data. It sends the response to the set posts topic and debug nodes. Fetch users. Similarly, this node makes a GET request to the user's API endpoint to fetch users data. It sends the response to the set users topic and debug nodes. Debug nodes. The debug nodes are connected to the HTTP request nodes to help us inspect the data fetched from the API. They output the data to the debug sidebar, which is useful for troubleshooting and verifying the data received. Change nodes. We use two change nodes, set posts topic and set users topic. Set posts topic. This node sets the MSG.topic to posts. This helps in identifying the data as posts when combining the data sets later in the flow. Set users. Topic. Similarly, this node sets the MSG.topic to users to distinguish user data from posts data. Join node. Next, the join data node plays a critical role. It waits for messages with the topic's posts and users, then combines them into a single message object. This is essential for our next step, where we need both data sets together to create a meaningful response. Function node. The combine data node is a function node where we write custom JavaScript code to merge the posts and users data. Here's a quick overview of the code. This script filters the posts for each user and combines them into a single object. Each user object now contains an array of their respective posts. Template node. The HTML template node uses handlebars or mustache templating to convert our combined data into an HTML format. The template includes styles and structure to display the users and their posts neatly. This node outputs the formatted HTML as a string, HTTP response node. Finally, the HTTP response node sends the generated HTML back to the client, completing the flow. When a request is made to the user's posts endpoint, the client receives a well-formatted HTML page listing users and their posts. The conclusion. In summary, this NodeRed flow demonstrates how to fetch data from APIs, process it, and generate a dynamic HTML response. We used HTTP in, HTTP request, change, join, function, template, and HTTP response nodes to achieve this. Each node has its specific role, and together they create a powerful and flexible data processing pipeline. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more NodeRed tutorials, and also check the description for this NodeRed flow.